Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends. And this video is from a couple of years ago, which we put together on a previous channel, and I've moved over to this one. And I'm visiting the Doubletree by Hilton Gates Hotel, where they are unlocking your dreams. And while we were in Miami, there was a hurricane warning, so we didn't get to explore this area of Miami at all, which was South Beach. This hotel has 8 floors and 235 rooms, and the Doubletree with Hilton, you are met with a little cookie in a bag as part of their signature offering. The Latin-inspired restaurant here is called Ola, and they have 100 varieties of tequila, and there is a pool table there. There's also a pool outside, which we'll show you in a moment, and also a jacuzzi pool, which was quite cold actually, so not that great. But here is the pool outside, and I'd imagine during the summer months this would be spectacular, but we were here during a hurricane, so it was a little bit windy and a bit rainy. The daily resort fee here will get you a couple of chairs and an umbrella on the beach, 1 hour's worth of paddleboarding, or an e-bike for an hour, which you can hire for longer anyway, and it's situated here. The hotel itself is situated on Collins Avenue, and it's right near to the canal as well. This hotel is around 23 minutes from the airport, so it's not far at all, around 12 miles. And we're going outside back onto the inside. I did like this hotel. I quite liked the look of it. It felt very homely. This is a 4-star hotel, and as we walk through here, we're back to the reception area with a pointer to the pool. It has gone dark since we took some pictures earlier, so you're seeing it in the evening now. And I did like this reception area. It was really nice. It's been done really well. Lots of little private areas to sit and enjoy. Maybe have a drink here, because the bar and restaurant is here as well. There are plenty of hotels along here to choose from, and lots of bars and restaurants here on Miami South Beach, and of course the beach itself. Like I said, we didn't really venture out that much, although we are going to go outside in just a moment and we'll have a look at the canal and also the Collins Avenue, which is where we were staying, where this hotel is situated. And a nice pool table there that I didn't partake in. And as we go on to the main street, this is just at the back of the hotel, and there was a little jacuzzi there, but it was a little bit cold, and of course it was a little bit cold out as well. But we can have a look anyway, and the beautiful palm trees there. I'd imagine this place would look totally different in the summer. Have you stayed here? What did you make of it? Please do leave a comment below if you want to. And another little look around. We're sort of outside of the hotel, but back inside the hotel now, back up to the pool. And we will show you the room we were staying in just a moment. Very nice. These, what they call cabanas, are they called? I think they are, that you can use. obviously better used on a sunny day. Nobody in the pool, no one braving it. And this was the little jacuzzi pool that we went into. But like I say, it did seem a little bit cold, so maybe it needed powering up or something. But yeah, I did sit in it for a little while and then it got a little bit too cold. So we went inside the room and we ordered a takeaway. Another little look around this pool area. This hotel is right in the centre of everything. Like I say, it's over 8 floors, 235 rooms and suites, and we were just in a room, and this is it. Fairly standard, but actually quite a big room. Little things let it down. Whilst it was a very spacious big room, the windows were a little bit dirty, but the bathroom was large and impressive, with a nice shower unit, complimentary waters, tea and coffee making facilities, and a safe, iron and ironing board. So everything you would really want. But like I say, a little bit of snagging needed on the window frames. View is great out the window, by the way. And they were compliments waters, which are refillable bottles. Water's quite safe to have in the US. And another view out of the room down Collins Avenue. And some branded toilet paper there. We've got your behind. And another little look around. That's where the cases go. And we'll have a final little look around outside. The Gates Hotel, Doubletree by Hilton. Miami South Beach, Miami, Florida. And we're getting towards the end of this video now. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if of course you want to. You don't have to. The purpose of the YouTube channel is really my memories of all the places I've been and all the things I've done for me to look back on in the future. And if other people find it useful, then that's a bonus. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.